common multiple is a number that is a multiple of two different numbers. For example, if we multiply two numbers together, the result will always be one of the common multiples of those two numbers. Let's find a common multiple of 5 and 7. First, we find multiples of 5. Next, we find multiples of 7. Some of the numbers have turned purple. That means they are both red and blue. A common multiple is a number which is a multiple of both. So, 35 and 70 are the first common multiples of 7 and 5. A nice way of visualising the common multiples between two numbers is using a Venn diagram. Let's take a look at the multiples of 3 and 4. The circle on the left contains multiples of 3. The circle on the right contains multiples of 4. The numbers in the intersection of these two circles are some of the common multiples of 3 and 4. We can see from the diagram that 12 is the lowest common multiple of these two numbers. The lowest common multiple of two numbers is simply their first common multiple, which is the smallest one. We saw before that multiplying two numbers together always gives us one of their common multiples. However, doing this does not always give us the lowest common multiple. Let's look back at the 100 square. What is the lowest common multiple of 2 and 6? That means the smallest whole number, or integer, that is divisible exactly by 2 and 6 without a remainder. The product of 2 times 6 is 12, but the lowest common multiple of 2 and 6 is 6. Let's look at one more example. Which of these numbers is the lowest common multiple of 4 and 6? We can always find the lowest common multiple of two numbers by writing out as many multiples as we can from both numbers and spotting the first number they have in common. In our example, 12 is the first number that these lists have in common, so 12 is the lowest common multiple of 4 and 6. You can use hundreds grids, Venn diagrams, or multiple lists to find and visualise the common multiples between two numbers. And of course, don't forget to learn your times tables.